There's a common story, a common journey that we all go through when we have a dream about something that we really want to accomplish. And I'm going to put it in terms of the musical theater writing idea because, hi, this is what I do. You have a dream to write a musical or two or three, so you go on a quest to learn how to do it. But then you find that there's very little information, very little resources out there, and you get a little overwhelmed or confused or you don't know what to do. But then you find a program or a set of programs that might help, but then you find out, wait a second, I don't have the funds or the resources, or I can't move to a big city, or this is not the right time for me right now. So you feel stuck in the mire, but you try to trudge through alone, and yet you find that the mire was actually deeper and darker and murkier than you thought it was. Until one day when one of two things happens. Either number one, you give up entirely on your dream, please don't do that. Or number two, you look again and find that there was actually another option that you initially didn't consider. In this case, you look again and see that it's an intimate small group program online, and it doesn't have a big name, but it also doesn't have an audition. But this time, after getting stuck in the mire, you realize, oh, actually those are the advantages of the program, not the disadvantages. You see that all those things make this course more accessible, flexible, affordable, and a shorter length of time. Plus, it can be far more individualized in an intimate group. So then you look through the details, you see that it provides 10x the value as all courses try to do. But more importantly, you see how it's actually changed lives and opened doors for other people. Now you realize it never was actually a dream at all. It's a true possibility because all you need to do is say yes to yourself. Say yes to the dream. That story has 3 decision points in it, but in all 3 you have to choose you. If you want to do that, come have a chat with me about the musical theater writing workshop course. We start next week.